Hey there, it's Patty the Tinker's wife, and I'm going to talk to you about a tool that I've had for a long time that is actually over 100 years old. And I'm doing this in solidarity with Mike the MI Gardener. Yeah, dude, I like your Weed Hound. I have used this tool here for a number of years. This one is loose, it's old, it's like over 100 years old. Um, they have one like it out today that's called Grandpa's Weeder, and the reason I'm sure they came up with that name is because this was the original. This is the original one. And you put the center of the weed here, you step down on this here, and then you bring it up to where the soil line is. Then when you push back, see what happens? And then you just, whoop, and that leverage that this offers will pull it up out of the ground. I don't know if I can do it justice if I tried. I did pull one weed up with it. It was a smaller one. We have very dense, I mean, you've got to take a pickaxe to this soil out here right now because we haven't had rain for a long time. I think well, not rain that would go into the soil. And so our soil is very dense and hard right now. Um, but I think for anybody that has like dandelions that they want to harvest, if you have a place that has dandelions, this tool is a great idea because you don't have to bend over if you got them in ground, and that makes it really, really sweet to harvest the roots. And if it's in soft soil, all the root will come up. So that's pretty nice, and you've got it. So anyway, MI Gardener, I love your tool. I love mine, but I think yours is designed better. I love the spring action on yours. So anyhow, but look for these at barn sales and estate sales and at secondhand stores. Old tool stores will have them. They're around. These things are, I think they're made out of cast metal, but they're heavy duty and they're worth having if you can find them, especially if you don't like bending over to pull out weeds where you don't want them, or if you're harvesting your dandelions, go for it. That's what I say. This would probably be this would also be good on, oh, plantain. Yeah, the big leaf plantain that we use medicinally. The one thing I would do is I would clean up these tines on here. This it needs a tool doctor. I've got a good tool doctor close by here. It's the Red Pig Tools. I may take this in and another tool and see if they can't work on them for me. Get them back up to snuff. But this, you can see the forger's marks on the, is that cool? I want to get this here. Come on, come on, come on. You see the forger's hammer marks on this? Yeah, so this was made, this is pretty cool. Pretty cool tool. Well, anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you. Kind of a funny little video, but I think these are fun. I love old tools, and they're around still because they're well made. A lot of the things we have today are not as well made. They're not made out of as sturdy a metal. And I will say this until the day I die. Pay good money for good tools. Don't scrimp. They'll be worth a lifetime's worth of work if you take care of them, and you can pass them down to your children. So from Tinker's Paradise here in cloudy, warm Portland, Oregon, I want to say have a good Sunday and God bless.